Alrighty guys, it is all the trades, June 9th, Monday at 7:30 on the open. We are just going to close this out at 3:18 or 3:13, whatever I can get. Alrighty, so we closed out IWM on that one position at a 216 strike. The reason I am doing that is I would like to roll this one out from June 20th from the 6175 to probably about here. Alright, so we got that one rolling, and then I would like to go to the 610. Actually, let's look at the Dow before we do that one, guys. Wait on the Dow. So we'll do it on the SPY. We'll just go there. Alright, so we'll just go there. Alrighty guys, closed down IWM for a little bit of profit today. On the morning, right at the open, rolled out the MES and rolled out the SPY. I will post this stuff on Twitter too, just in case people didn't catch the video. Also, just check out my Twitter page. If you guys aren't always on YouTube, most people aren't, you know, I'm not even, so it might be a way if you guys are wanting to track what I'm doing to see if it would fit your portfolio instead of doing stock, maybe have a lower cost basis with sector ETF options, and just want to watch someone's account P&L change day to day. It's kind of really what I'm wanting for this channel, because I still hear a lot of people like, oh, options are bad or options are risky. It's like, no, not much more riskier than stock. You just have to manage them. Unlike stock, you don't have to manage them. In my opinion, that really is the only difference. But hey, that's one guy's opinion. And if you want, just check out my Twitter page at AllTheTrades 2.